In this video, I'm going to walk you through the different order statuses so that you can manage your orders and understand your orders from a glance. So I'm in the orders section here, and you'll see that I've placed an extra order at the top here that is a shipping product to show you the different statuses when it comes to shipping and processing. However, we're going to start with our payment status first. So you'll see that we've got paid and unpaid payment statuses. There are two more statuses that you can see, and that is partially paid and declined. So if an order is partially paid, let's click into this order that is unpaid, and I collect a partial payment on this. So I'm going to click on More Actions and collect the payment. I'm going to use a cash method, but I'm not going to collect the whole 42,000 here. Let's say that I just collect 2,000. When I record that payment, you'll then see that my payment status has changed to partial. So if I navigate back here to my orders section again, you'll be able to see that from a glance. We've received a partial payment on this order. And if I click back into that and I collect the entire payment, so again, 40,000 is left on this. So now I've collected that payment, this payment status has changed to paid, and that order is fully paid, it's fulfilled, it's ready to go. Now, as I mentioned, the other payment status that you will see is declined. This is when a payment is unable to be processed in the system. So if for any reason the payment method is not working, the system is going to try once or twice to process that payment, but if it is still not working, it's going to mark that payment as declined, and it's going to stop trying to charge that client. So then that payment status will be marked as declined. The other statuses you will see here are our status of the order and our shipping status. As you'll see with the bottom three orders, shipping is not required. They are not shipping products, they're not physical things that need to be shipped, so the shipping status is automatically marked as not required. And that also means that once the payment has been made for these three orders, that those orders are automatically marked as fulfilled. So the entire order process is completed the moment they make their payment. But here we have a shipping product that is busy processing. That is because we still have a lot of stuff going on in the background that needs to happen before this order is fulfilled. So let's click into this order. And as you can see, it's a shipping product. It's processing and the shipping is pending. So it's still in our warehouse. We still need to pack it. We still need to process it. We still need to send it off. So that is going to be marked as processing until we actually send the package. So let's go ahead and say that this order is now packed. I'm going to come here to More Actions and I'm going to click Pack Order. So now that status for my shipping has changed to packed. The status for the order overall is still processing. It still hasn't been sent out. So that is one way that we can manage the order status of this product. And you could come here to More Actions and fulfill that order as well. But there is another way to manage these orders, and that is through flows. So if I navigate back to my sales section here, and I come here to the Change Flow button on the top right-hand side of the screen, and I click on Shipping, I can then go ahead and prepare this order and move it through the shipping flow. So I'm going to select this order and I'm going to click Process. That is then going to move it to my To Be Shipped section. And you'll see my status hasn't changed. It's still processing, it's still packed, but now I can go ahead, select that order again, and I can process it. So now it's been shipped and the order should be fulfilled. So if I exit out of that, you'll see that this has now been paid, fulfilled, and shipped. So those are the different order statuses that you're going to come across in the system, and you should have a pretty good understanding of what they mean and how they work after watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up warehouses and manage the order fulfillment flow for those warehouses. I'll see you there.